WSI is more than just specialty welding. We guarantee quality and durability for results that last. Our state-of-the-art welding center enables us to do more with our trademark precision. Faster. Backed by 40 years of experience and the latest technical innovations. Our teams work with nano precision around the clock. We get the job done. We optimize our procedures, train, find new solutions. Protect your facilities, shield your infrastructure, safeguard your productivity. Open now, open always.